Polyurethane is fast becoming the material of choice when it comes to Karcher compatible blades. It's a tough and durable material that vastly outperforms rubber in both longevity and resistance. And our polyurethane range of floor squeegee blades are available in a range of thicknesses and hardnesses. We bring over 10 years' experience in manufacturing these blades. It's a highly skilled process, which results in an excellent finish. Our floor squeegee system is specially formulated for low hardnesses, whilst maintaining high toughness and a long operational lifetime. It offers high resistance to both oils and a range of standard cleaning chemicals. It also demonstrates superb antibacterial and antifungal properties. To find out more, please get in touch with our sales team.